Hakajing Pankre ban Pyntreikam ya Medical College ha University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM nakabenta kajing puli Dr. lani ka Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery MBBS kajing alang kenhun menteri hakakat pratri Risau arajar pusau kalashim ya karai ban amailat ya University Pyntreikam klam ka act. Haba pentep sikilat pathai kubor din kajing alang ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo ka menteri bedikmi ikatanat kakot kakia bat kanong ay ketien ka Sorkar MDA2 kalaong bakatanat kakot kakia kan penkre ban snaya katega at kalaong baan sa penstat ya kikam kijam hakatayo ka banwan kan don kajia pliu jingmut bu menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad Kiesangma halor kanega at.
Cabinet was pleased to decide that we will not be able to allow the USTM to function without a proper act in place because we are mandated as a state government to monitor allocations of seats, fees of courses, and we have therefore decided that Cabinet will again sit after the Health Department brings forward its plan for the act, and on Wednesday, we are scheduled to meet again with the Honourable Chief Minister and the Cabinet, where we will again brief you for more information on this matter. Therefore, we are correcting our stance. There are Supreme Court judgments in position that already give adequate mandate to the state to come up with acts so that there is no confusion in even allotment of seats, fees of students, etc., etc., etc. So we will come up with an act and we'll have to fast track that act. Hence, Cabinet will meet again, and if necessary, we have to bring an ordinance so that we are mandated as per law to operationalize the USTM as well.
But how is it functioning without act till now?
This is the first time for the medical college. No, not for the entire university, but for the medical college. We have to have an act in position.
How will this function? Because we only have an act related to a university, private university.
This is a medical college, hence we have to bring it in position.
So a university will have to go up another act.
This is the medical college, no? This is the PA Sangma International Medical College, and the state has to monitor all of that as per mandate of law. So we're going ahead and we're doing it first.
So there was some confusion, that means initially 40 seats.
There is no confusion. We have to be directed. Once the NOC has been given to USTM to start operation, it is offering state government some seats. We have to be guided by an act, and hence to make sure that we are doing things in the correct way, we follow what is being done in other states. Other states also have private medical colleges. We have to do that, and we have to follow and make sure that the best practice is adopted so that we are guided by this act. We will try our best to complete procedures within stipulated time of the end of October, which is when it is again mandated for all medical courses to begin.
So next year we can expect this 40 seats.
No, this year.
No.
Not about 40 or 30 or we don't know how many. We are coming up with an act and we will be guided by that act. Certain states give 60%, certain state gives 30%, certain state gives 40%. We have to decide as a state which is the model of operation in our state.
Can you tell us the name of the act?
No. We are coming up with the medical college, private university and government for our own state. We are also looking at government colleges in the pipeline in the future. There has to be some guiding rule. So we have to have certain, this is mandatory as we see is being done in other states.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Wanrah Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.